So you've reached the end of your summer to-do list, and now it's time to take on this wasp nest. So let's go check it out. Okay, so here it is. It looks like it's only one or two coming in and out of this hole. This should be super easy. But what if I told you there's 100 or 200 easily coming out of this? Would you still tackle this with your DIY bravery? Should you listen to the expert friends that won't come over to help you do it? Or should you start looking for an exterminator? So as you can see, after applying some temple dust, the alert signal is sent. Not only one or two come out, the whole entire nest is out. If you would have used your average store-bought spray, you would be in so much trouble right now. As you can see, this whole thing has escalated to another level. These things are in full attack mode. You can clearly hear their aggression and willing to sting anybody or anything. For the most part, I get calls like this because the landscaper has usually run over one of these. Even after one full treatment, they still don't settle down. So after this second one, you would expect it to even get calmer. You have to remember the workers are still out. They are on their way back and see you disturbing their nest. Most of these stings usually end up on your back if you're not suited up. Once you hear the high-pitched buzzing, you've hit the core of the nest. I don't usually do this, but I'm doing it for this video. I'm going to dig and remove this nest from the ground. I start carefully removing all the loose soil from the top and the surrounding areas. I'm trying to get this thing out intact completely. This usually isn't necessary as the chemical has gotten deep into the nest. As you can see, the temple dust is right underneath all the mulch. There it is. You can kind of see it loose. Now carefully I start removing around the edges, slowly, just so I can get it out intact. Once I feel comfortable that it's loose enough, I will start prying underneath it to pick it up from the bottom. I also have to make sure there's clearance. Like here, there's a root that's in the way. So I just grab the clippers and clip the root completely off. Now I just grab it firmly, pull straight up, and as you can see, that's where all those wasps are hiding. As you can see on the bottom, there are still some that are still alive. This is why you have to treat this thoroughly. If you don't do a thorough treatment like this, they will either winterize or relocate very nearby. But for this video, I just took an extra step with some PT Wasp Freeze and completely dug out the entire rest of it. I hope you found this video useful and make your decision on how to address this. Thank you for watching.